Hello students, how are you? I hope that you are doing great. This is me, Miss Dwi with CST Online Learning, and today our discussion is about review in Unit 11. Yes, our Unit 11 is about to end. We have two main topics today. The first is about vocabularies and the second is about grammar. So, let's go to check our vocabularies. By the way, you can also open your class book, Unit 11, Lesson 1. So, picture A is village. Village. People who live in village, they usually have simple life. They do farming. They don't have movie theater, supermarket, or airport. Yes, their life is usually simple and they usually know each other. Picture B is town. Town, kota kecil. Yep, probably they have shops, movie theater, restaurant, supermarket, but they don't have such big malls, modern transportation, airports. We can also find office in this kind of town. Town is usually close to village. Picture C is volcano. Volcano atau gunung berapi. Gunung berapi di Indonesia yang baru saja meletus adalah anak Krakatau, or in English we call it Krakatoa. While picture D is ocean. Ocean. Usually we find ocean between islands, ada di sekitaran pulau-pulau atau di sekitaran benua yang menghubungkan dua benua atau lebih. Next, picture A is desert. Desert atau gurun pasir. Not desert ya, but desert, gurun pasir. And picture B is oasis. Oasis, tulisannya oasis, bacanya oasis. Is source of water in deserts. Sumber mata air di desert. So, if you go to a desert, probably, yes, it will be hot and dry, but you can still find water. Picture C is cave. Cave is stones that has holes so we can get in or get out from there. Picture D is rainforest atau hutan hujan. Usually we can find rainforest in tropical countries just like Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, India, di mana hujannya selama 6 bulan. We have discussed about village and towns. Now we talk about capital city. Capital city, picture A, adalah kota-kota besar atau kota metropolitan just like Jakarta, Paris, Kuala Lumpur, London, Washington DC. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita menyebutnya ibu kota negara. What can you see in capital city? Airport, modern transportation, TV station, and many things. Usually, people from many places or other places come to capital city because they can get better job or better life. And picture B is island. Island, we don't say island, but island. Island atau pulau is land on the water. Tanah yang muncul dari permukaan air. Have you been to an island? Which island is your favorite to visit? Do you think that Jakarta has island? Do you know that? Yes, we call it Kepulauan Seribu because there are so many small islands. Those are our first vocabularies. Now let's discuss about grammar. You have ever learned about ever or never? Ever kita pakai kalau misalnya kita sudah pernah, tapi kalau never kita gunakan untuk menjelaskan kalau kita belum pernah do something. For the example, we have you, but Miss Dwi will use the sentence I. So, I have ever climbed a mountain. Saya sudah pernah mendaki gunung. And Miss Dwi use have because our subject is. And don't forget we use verb 3, climbed. Not climb, but climbed. Now, you and Susie. So we use we. We have ever climbed a mountain. Kita sudah pernah mendaki gunung. Yes, we use have because the subject is more than just one person. You and Susie. Now we've got James, only one person. So we use has. We can use James or he. He has never climbed a mountain. How about you? Have you ever climbed a mountain? Untuk kalimat yang ingin menjelaskan kalau kita belum pernah, kita bisa memakai dua cara. Pakai never or hasn't ever. Because our subject is he, we use has. First example, he has never climbed a mountain. And the second, he hasn't ever climbed a mountain. Dua-duanya memiliki arti yang sama, belum pernah. Nah, probably you have question, Miss, what is the difference between have and has? When can I use have verb 3 and has verb 3? It is depends on your subject. What is your subject? If your subject is I, you, we, they, Juan and Julian, two persons, you use have and verb 3. And if the subject is only one person, she, he, it, Julian only, we use has and verb 3. And please always remember that in this sentence, you always use verb 3. So let me ask you, what is the verb 3 of eat? Eaten. What is the verb 3 of drive? Driven. What is the verb 3 of speak? Spoken. How about bring? Yep, brought. Buy, bought. Put, still put. Cut, still cut. Say, yes, it is said. Miss Dwi has ever shared and you have ever learned the difference between been to and been in. Kalau untuk capital city, ocean, desert, oasis, village, town, we use been to. But for cave, karena kita biasanya masuk ke dalam goanya, we say or we use been in. Example, we've been to a village. And for cave, we've been in a cave. Can you see the difference? For cave, you use been in. Alright, that's all about the grammar review. Now let me continue with vocabularies from reading section. Picture on the left is location atau lokasi, and picture on the right is height. Can you say together with me? Height atau ketinggian. We use height untuk mengukur ketinggian gunung atau gedung yang tinggi. Tapi kalau untuk manusia, tinggi manusia, we use tall. Next, picture on the left is expedition. Expedition atau ekspedisi adalah perjalanan, biasanya penuh tantangan, yang dilakukan oleh beberapa orang bersamaan, dan mereka mereka pergi secara tim. Jadi kebutuhan tim ada di dalam kelompok mereka. For the example, expedition to Everest, to mountain, to a cave, or to jungle. Yes, because it is challenging or adventurous, they have to go in a group. While picture on the right is summit. Summit, double M, alright? When we reach the top of a mountain, we call it summit. Kalau kita sudah sampai puncak gunung, kita menyebutnya adalah summit. People usually take picture when they are on summit. When you are on the top of mountain, yes, it is cold, but it is hard or difficult to find oxygen. oxygen. So you have to bring oxygen tube atau tabung oksigen for you to provide oxygen. While picture on the right is equipment. Equipment, peralatan atau perlengkapan, things that you have to bring when you want to do something. And because they have to go to top of Everest, they have to bring many things, just like the picture on the screen. And what is your equipment when you have to go to school? Yep, bag, shoes, books, pencil case, water bottle. Those are your equipment as a student. Alright, our last vocabularies. The picture on the left is frozen. Frozen atau membeku. Usually the temperature is so low, so it will be frozen. And if we heat ice, kalau kita manasin es, it will melt. Melt atau beku. Okay, then that's all our discussion for Unit 11. I wish you good luck. Please don't forget to practice using your English, using the words that we have learned together. I will give you speaking practice after this one. So, that's all our material. Hopefully you can learn. And I will see you in the next video, students. Bye. Bye all.